Hi there, Dr. Dave here, and it's time to rise and whine. I was reading an article the other day about how to deal with a recipe when you've added too much salt to something, and in this case, it was having added too much salt to a stew that the article was talking about. It's interesting that they suggested adding additional ingredients that were either sweet or savory to counterbalance the extra salt. I think it's an awesome metaphor for life. There are things that we get too much of that are negative. It could be from work or some family stress or a relationship issue, and we can't exactly get rid of it at the moment, but we can add other things that are both sweet and savory to our lives to help balance that negative thing. Maybe we do more things that we like, or start spending more time with friends that we really enjoy, or picking up a hobby that we haven't done in a while. If you are having too much of something salty in your life, I hope you find some sweet and savory ingredients soon to balance that out. Rise and Whine is weekly, and if you enjoyed this episode, please like, comment, and share below. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, and thank you for spending a minute of it with me.